show you how to write in upper index or lower index in the PowerPoint app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just click inside of a text box, and then we go into the top row, click on font, and here we have x squared and x index 2. If we click on x squared, then we are going to be writing with superscript. I mean, we should be writing with superscript. Or we can just highlight that part and make it superscript like this. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.